इस वक्त आपको बराह रास्त नरेंद्र मोदी स्टेडियम लिए चलते हैं जहां पर टॉस हो रहा है।
It's World Cup cricket. It's India versus Pakistan. In the blue corner for India, Rohit Sharma. In the green corner, Babar Azam. Andy Pycroft is the match referee with the toss representative. And Rohit will spin the coin.
Head.
What's it, Andy? Rohit, you won the toss. What have you decided?
We're going to bowl first.
Biggest stadium in the world. India versus Pakistan. Full house. Can't get bigger than this.
Yeah, it cannot get bigger than this, no doubt about it. Fantastic atmosphere. It is something you always look for, you dream for, playing in such a big. And now I'm sure a lot of us are going to experience something really.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।